How to link and use Shippo with Shopify. In this short tutorial, I will explain you each and everything that you can do it in few steps, right? How you will link and use Shippo with Shopify. So here, first of all, you have to go to the Google and type Shippo. Once you go here, click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, you will be redirected here. So if you have to make an account, and if you don't have account, then just click on get started, and basically you have to enter your personal details such as your first name, last name, email address. Right. So once I'm here, it will ask me to log in. So to log in, I will just enter my email and password, right? And it will send me a code. Okay, so I've entered the code and I will just click on verify. In just few seconds, I will be logged in into my Shippo account. Once you're logged in, on the top right, you will see this gear icon, right? So if you just click on it, first of all, you have to add your store. So just scroll a little bit down. Under the section of on the left side, you will see a section which is called your business. Click on the stores. Once you click on the stores, I have already linked my Shippo account with my Squarespace account. But if you want to connect, then just click on connect store, right? Once you click on connect store, you will see there's the option of Shopify. Now click on it. Once you click on it, it will just, you have to wait and you have to enter your shop. I mean, your whatever your website URL, right? For example, here, let me just take to you my Shopify account here. So here is my Shopify store, and first of all just click on online store, and once you click on it, if you see this eye icon, click on it, it will redirect to your store, and make sure your store is live, right? It should be live. Here my store is not live, so that's why even though if I just copy it, and you have to just copy your store URL, go to the Shippo and paste it here, right? And just click on connect. So it will just take a few seconds to connect with your Shopify store. Here you can see that it is redirecting to my Shopify store, and it's asking me to install Shippo, right? So I'll just click on install, and you have to just wait for a few seconds again here, and it will just load. And after that, your Shippo will be get installed over your Shopify store, and it will get connected. Here you can see. So whatever the orders you will get it here, you will able to see in the Shippo, and you can just do all the transaction or shipments. I hope you really found this video useful.